GCSEs, GC's knees. He's shaking, he's nervous, I think he's gonna sneeze. Looking kinda queasy. Had chips last night with no mushy peasy. He's praying for A's, no Beezy. Why you panicking? You're the one who said that exams were easy. Chill, bro, chill, sis. I know you got high target, hope you don't miss. Even if you do, honestly, check this. You can still achieve next level greatness. If you do get the grades, don't let your passion fade. College is a new start, it's a new day. New days, new strategies, new ways. Clear focus, no grace. Some friends need to go today. What do you say? Okay, touche. Don't lose sleep. Have a nice day. Have a blessed day. Tomorrow, these results will be yesterday. Yesterday's news. Today's a new day. What you gonna do? Your future. What you gonna do? Your future. Who you gonna be? Your future. You.